Hello my dear students, class 4, Maths English Medium, Video number 12. With the instruction, answer the following questions based on the map. Here I drawn the map here. Villages distance given here. Village B, C, D and E. A from B is 25 kilometer, A from C 15 kilometer, A from D 30 kilometer and A from E 20 kilometer is given. Now one by one we will solve the question which is given below. Okay. The first question is, how far is village B from village A? You can see here, this is the village A and village B is here. What is the distance of the village B from village A? You can see here, this is the 25 kilometer. So answer is 25 kilometer. Understood how to find? Okay. Now second question is, what is the distance between village B and village C? Now here ask about village B and village C. Distance between village B and village C. So village B's distance is 25 from A, and from A village C's distance is 15 kilometers. Now add both the measurement, 25 plus 15. Now 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So answer you can write it 40 kilometer. This is the kilometer. This is also the kilometer and this is also the kilometer. Means distance between village B and village C is 40 kilometers. So write the answer here. Distance between village B and village C is 40 kilometers. Now the third question. What is the distance between village A and village B? You can see here village A is here and village D is here. So what is the distance between village A and village B? Yes, 30 kilometers is the distance between village A and village B. So write the answer, 30 kilometer distance between village A and village D. Here also you can write in the full sentence, 25 kilometer. How far is village B from village E? Understood? Okay. Now question number 4. What is the distance between village E and village D? Here ask about the total distance between village E to village D. So here A to E, how much kilometer is here? 20 kilometer. Plus D, A to D, how much kilometer is here? 30 kilometer. So 0, 3 plus 2, 5. So answer is, you can write answer here, 50 kilometer distance between village E and village D. I don't have space, so I am writing here 50 kilometer distance between E and D. I don't have space, so I am writing here. You can write down. Okay. Now, fifth question. Now, fifth question. How much distance do Mehul, one boy Mehul, have to cover if he wants to go from village E to village B through village A? If one boy, suppose one boy, he has to cover some distance. Suppose he is here and he wants to go village B. So how can he go? First he go to village A, then after A from B. Okay, they can't directly go. He can't directly go. So first he has to go upstairs to village A, then after A to B. So here E to A, how much kilometer? 20 kilometer. This is the solution, 20 kilometer plus A to B. He wants to go from village A to village B. So A to B, how much kilometer is here? 25 kilometer. So 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. So Mehul have to cover 45 kilometer. Okay, from village E to village B through village A. So 45 kilometer, answer is 45 kilometer distance do Mehul have to cover. Distance Mehul have to cover. Understood? Okay. Now the sixth question, read question properly first. How much distance do Sunil, here Sunil is given, Sunil have to cover if he wants to go from village C to village D. Means first Sunil has to go A, then after A to D. So C to A, how much kilometer is given here? C to A, this is the solution. C to A, 15 kilometer. First he has to go 15 kilometer. Okay. Then after 30 kilometer up. 30 kilometer. So 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. So 45 kilometer distance do Sunil have to cover. Okay. Write the answer here. 45 kilometer distance do Sunil have to cover. Understood? Okay. Now the seventh question, which distance is more for Pradeep? Here one boy named Pradeep. Which distance is more for him? Here village B to C. B to C or village D to E. First we have to find distance of village B to C. Distance, this is the solution. Distance for B to C. Now B to A 25 kilometer plus 15 kilometer at. So you got it, the distance for B to C. 5 plus 5 10, carry over 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1, 4 40 kilometer B to C. Now second is distance for D to E. D to E. So D to A 30 kilometer plus A to E 20 kilometer. So you can see here which distance is more. You can see here distance for D to E is more. How much? Here comparison is given. You can see, right? You can write it here. Distance between D to E is more. Okay, is more. How much? So when the comparison given, you have to do the subtraction. So 50 minus 40. 50 kilometer minus 40 kilometer. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. How much kilometer? 10 kilometer is more than this. Okay. So today we learn this exercise, math exercise. You have to draw only one time and write the question answer below. Only you have to draw one time. Understood?